Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Classroom. So I'm logged on as a student, and I go to Google Classroom. And so let's say I want to upload. I'll click View Assignment. Under Your Work, you press Add or Create. If you have an iPad or a device or are using the Google Classroom app, it will show on the bottom here, and you have to swipe the arrow up and click Add or Create. But if you're on a laptop, or a computer, it will be here. So you press here Add or Create, then you press Google Docs. You need the Google Docs app if you're using an iPad or a device. And then when you're in here, you have to type your answer in here. You can't leave it blank. I've been getting a lot of blanks lately. You type in your answer here. After you've typed everything in, then you press Turn In. Okay? So when you have, sometimes for math, I'll put the worksheet for you in there. So when you press View Assignment and you click Your Work, the worksheet is in there for you, and you just click the worksheet under Your Work, and you type your answers in the spaces as you would normally on a worksheet. And same thing, you press Turn In. So you don't want to erase anything that I've written here. You just want to add in your answers and press Turn In. So you have to make sure you have the Google Devices app and the Google Docs app to be able to do this. And then for any slides that I post, you just view the slides and click on the underlined things to access the links. And here's the links. Okay.